Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen once again. Today we are diving deep into the flavors of Goa, especially North Goa, where the sea meets the spice and Kokum sings the Tangy tune. Kerala and Goa share more than just coastlines and sunsets. They have got beaches, coconuts and fish curries in common. But today we are going full Goan. And no, we are not using tamarind. This is pure Kokum powered Goan Fish Curry. Let's see the ingredients. Here is onion, green chilies, coconut, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, jeera or cumin powder, kokum. I have listed all the ingredients both in English and Malayalam in the description box below. So here is the star, Goan Kokum. I have added a picture of kokum at the top right corner of this screen. These deep purple petals are actually the dried rings of the kokum fruit, sun-dried and full of tangy flavor. Just soak them in warm water and let them relax for a bit. They are like the spa goers of the spice world. Now let's grind our masala. Take chopped tomato, fresh coconut, red chilies, coriander powder, cumin, garlic. Blend it all into smooth paste and keep it aside. Next, chop the onions and slit the green chilies. Keep everything ready. Now here is the fish. I have used Rohu today. Yes, it's a freshwater fish, not Goan Pomfret, but trust me, it was very tasty. Let's move on to the stove. Heat oil in a pan. I am using an earthen pot for that rustic flavor. Add onions. Saute until they are golden and soft. Now add the Goan masala and cook it well till the oil starts separating and the aroma fills the kitchen. I have pinned Kerala style fish curry recipe on the top right corner of this video. Don't forget to check that out too. Then add the soaked kokum along with its tangy water. I am holding back 2 pieces of kokum. I'll check the taste and later add if needed. Add about 350 ml of water and salt to taste. After checking, I felt it needed a bit more tang, so I added the remaining kokum pieces. Cover and bring to a boil. Once boiling, gently slide in the fish pieces one by one along with the green chilies. Let the curry simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. I am not covering it now as fish cooks fast and stays firmer this way. While our curry is bubbling away, why not let your finger swim toward that like button? And don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment and share it with your fish loving friends. Occasionally rotate the pot, but don't stir with a spoon. Fish are delicate souls, just like your weekend plans. Before switching off the stove, I am doing a final salt check and yes, everything's perfect. And there you have it, Goan Fish Curry with Kokum. Tangy, spicy and full of coastal soul. Let's plate it gently. As I was plating, one piece of fish couldn't hold together. Happens, yet fish curry is fish curry, right? Just before serving, drizzle a little coconut oil on top. This curry tastes even better after 2 to 3 hours or the next day when the kokum tang and coconut richness sink deep into the fish. I couldn't resist. I served and ate it right away. It was so tasty. Do try this recipe and leave your comments, friends. If this curry doesn't get you hooked, I don't know what will. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more recipes that are off the scale. See you next time. Until then, happy cooking.